County has issued a tornado warning for the following counties/areas: Calhoun, Chickasaw, Monroe, Pontotoc, Yalobusha, MS, at 1:46 p.m. on March 22nd, 2022, effective until 2:31 p.m. Message from WDFA/NWS. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for Chickasaw County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Yalobusha County in northwestern Mississippi, Calhoun County in northeastern Mississippi, southwestern Pontotoc County in northeastern Mississippi, west central Monroe County in northeastern Mississippi, until 2:30 p.m. ZDT. At 1:46 p.m. ZDT, a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located over Sweetman, or 13 miles northeast of Winona, moving northeast at 65 mph. Hazard tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. 3 damage is likely. Locations impacted include Houston, Oklahoma, Roos, Calhoun City, Vardaman, Irma, Pittsboro, Slate Springs, Sabogla, Highland, Randolph, Banner, Red Rock, Halka, New Halka, Algoma, Acapulco, Big Creek, Woodland, and Robs. Tornado radar indicated max hail size .75 and take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.